I and my wife went out to a movie. As the plot of the movie thickened, somebody's mobile phone rang irritatingly. And this person didn't even have the sensibility to cut off the phone or answer the call. Very angrily, I got up and said, "Why don't you answer the phone call and let us watch the movie in peace?" That's when my wife hurriedly told me, "Honey, it's your phone that's ringing." Toastmasters, welcome to the world of mobile invasion. Welcome to the world of invasion of privacy in an enclosed public places. You will all agree with me that the mobile phone is essential. Today there is no being without the mobile phone. But it has come to a stage where it is starting invading our public and private life. There is no escape from this mobile phone. You go to a doctor with a nagging migraine and there is a housewife speaking loudly about a cookery special. You go to a restaurant with your family to spend some little time and the guy in the neighboring table is professing his love loudly to his wife. Not only is an invasion of your privacy, but it is private life in public. You cannot escape this Toastmasters. Hotels, restaurants, cinema theaters, buses, trains, you name it, people are talking there on the phone and invading your public life. Now you'll ask me, what do I mean by the term privacy in enclosed public places? Privacy in enclosed public places are places where you have no option but to be there and somebody is talking within hearing distance and you cannot walk out of the place. The task before you Toastmasters is to give you solutions how to solve these meanings. In the previous projects, I threw a problem at you. You suggested methods and means and modes of going about it, and mostly used this code to eliminate problems and come out with a possible solution. Today, the procedure is slightly different here. You will be suggesting ideas, means, and methods to solve this problem. The point is, you are not going to eliminate the problem. We'll come out with one idea. We will try to change the shape of this idea to arrive at a consensus. What I mean to say is, the idea may be a circle, it can become a square, it can become a triangle, and end up as a rectangle. But the idea which you have given remains the same. The methodology is to change the opinion from good to better to the best. Is it clear to you, Toastmasters? There are six stages which you have to go through. It doesn't sound as complicated as I make it out to be. I will explain things to you, then all you have to do is throw opinion suggestions will come to it. First, I'll open the discussion by inviting ideas, opinion suggestions of how to solve the meanings that I spoke about. I will identify a priority writing on the board. We'll ask people to throw up solutions. We'll take up one priority and I will start writing this one priority on the board. There will be two columns for you. One is the area of agreement and area of concern. Area of agreement is where everybody says this point is okay with me. And assume for Diresh says, "Sir, I have an area of concern," or a concern means area of disagreement. I'll give you an example. I will tell how to avoid the menace in private life. I suggest that we use SMS. Diresh stand up and say, "Sir, I can speak only Kannada. I cannot text." This is an area of concern. I hope you got your point now. Now what you have to do is further go down, modify this and come out with a better solution. You keep on changing and make this module into the fine one. Is that fine with Toastmasters? And to assist me in this role, I have a young man, smartly dressed, who gave the Sergeant Arms address. Aniket, please welcome him on stage. Toastmasters, this mobile phone is invading your privacy in enclosed public places. Enclosed public place means a theatre, a restaurant, a bus, a train, and you are pretty annoyed with the word seal. But we also agree that we have no option but the use of mobile phone. What do you suggest that we do to make it respectable to everybody and do not invade others' privacy? The floor is open. I want you to come with suggestions. Ramesh.
Like we do in Toastmasters, let all these places carry an announcement either oral or have it printed. Wherever if there is a menu card in a hotel, let it be printed on top. Please keep your mobile phone in silent mode or whatever you want to as an instruction. That is one way to make the audience sensitive to the bookings.
Mobile phone in silent mode.
Silent mode or whether to keep your voice tone down.
Having a silent mode, this is an area of agreement. How many of you say this idea is fine? Or how many say there is an area of concern for this?
I am not saying silent mode. Let there be a announcement by the concerned owner of the space.
Okay, announcement is like
Not the silent mode.
Not a silent mode.
See, now you understand what's happening. The silent mode is replaced by the word announcement. We are changing the shape of the what you call the consensus by bringing in a different what you call one more solution to this announcement. Sridhar, you had something to tell us?
Yes.
Now first tell me what do you agree with this or do you have an area of concern for this? Why do you think this will work or not work?
See, the announcement over the period of time, it will become things for taken for granted. We do say here, of course, it works in Toastmasters that keep the phone in silent mode. Sometimes the newcomers or the habitual, it will not be in the silent mode. It will be in some other mode. Still, their feelings will be they should attend this.
You say people break the rule.
Definitely.
Okay, break the rule. Dinesh, he says people will break the rule. What do you have to say
No,
for
the
that?
point is, one, in terms of announcement, is that in terms of hotels and other places, the areas of business, the rules cannot be imposed. The objective is, when I'm entering a hotel, it's a state of luxury, I'm trying to enjoy my meal. I can't have somebody come and tell me that you're not supposed to attend a call when you
But it's all right that somebody can talk loudly. You have gone to have your meal, you want some
The point is, if I'm trying to put aside a rule, in turn it affects my business. So it is not a ploy that is workable in the general sense.
So what is the rules are not should be flexible or there should be no rule at all?
No, the point is announcement could help in attending a call, that you can have a cell phone in silent mode, but does not stop you from attending a call.
But if I attend a call, you end up talking.
Absolutely. So the point is that it is not feasible in the local public.
So what is the suggestion? What's the solution for that? Okay,
The solution is you have separate
I'll
rooms
give
to
somebody
accept
else
calls.
a
You can
chance.
have rooms to accept calls. Like how you have waiting rooms, you can have a separate room, a smoking room. You can have a room like, attend your cell phone call and move forward.
okay, a separate mobile room.
In hotels and other
A
places.
separate mobile room, go to other places. This goes away. Separate room.
All
All those things. Now, yes, ma'am.
I think there could be a
If you could stand up, we could look at you also.
there could be a publicity campaign.
No, I would want you to probably talk about this. Mr. Dinesh said a separate room in terms